made it through the waves out here. I'm just so glad this happened today. This is magnificent. It's awesome. It's really spectacular.
Good morning. It's our first full day here in Portugal and so far nothing has gone according to plan. We were supposed to go kayaking into the Benagil Caves and it's one of the things that I've been looking forward to the most on this road trip to Portugal. And when we woke up this morning we got the notification saying the weather is too rough, tours cancelled. But we decided to come here anyway and there seems to be people going out on kayaks. I don't know if they are more experienced than we would be, so that might be the reason, but we figured maybe we should check it out and see if we can manage to get ourselves into a different tour. But that's just the way it is traveling. You don't know what to expect and you just have to embrace whatever comes your way. Tickets, this one here.
So the kayak, it's a guided tour.
Yes.
It's 25 per person.
Yes.
1 hour and a half.
Yeah, perfect. Cool.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Now we gotta pay. Thank you. Thank you. Now we're good to go. It's been ups and downs, but I'm glad we're gonna do it.
I'm really excited about going kayaking. I've never done it before and I think it's going to be a great challenge or activity, teamwork. You need to work together, but at the same time, like you said, Håkan, let's embrace the opportunity.
I think the tricky part's going to be coming off the shore. And you might not look that big on camera, but we are really big. Why I want to do it so bad is that when I googled things to do in Lagos or in the Algarve coast, I quickly found out that the beaches are the thing. This area is home to some of the best beaches in Europe, and the beaches are only half of it. The other half are the caves. There are caves along the coastline, there are many different caves, but the most scenic or most beautiful cave is located here. And you can only access it by kayaking or you can go on a SUP, a paddleboard, because the wind is too strong so you cannot swim there. So the only way you can access that cave and actually step foot in the cave is by going on one of these tours. So I'm so happy that we're going to do it. And we're switching over to the GoPro, so there's a big chance that it's going to be some shaky footage from this kayaking.
Over there as well, where the kayaks are. And then I'm going to meet you out there, okay? So, the strongest person goes at the back, okay?
That's me.
It is? We made it through the waves out here. Now we're just waiting for the guide.
We're about to go into the first cave.
My name's Elsie, by the way, and that's Liv. Leave none, okay?
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Really crowded out here.
This is the desert beach. The only way here is through the water. And if you see that rock over there, it looks like a face with a fat nose. Can you see it?
Yeah.
We call that Cristiano Ronaldo.
We're getting into the stride. Sandra thinks I'm actually paddling. I'm really not.
This was on the list of the 20 most beautiful beaches in the world.
Really?
By National Geographic, yeah.
So cool!
I'm just so glad this happened today. This is magnificent. It's awesome. It's really spectacular.
Every bit as beautiful as I imagined it would be. This is really, really amazing. So cool. Just look at it. That was one of the best things that I've done lately.
I agree. I'm so glad we did it.
And the guide told us that really close by is a beach that's been deemed one of the top 20 beaches in the world by National Geographic, so we're on our way to check it out. Real quick, we have recently partnered up with iVisa, simply because we really appreciate the service that they provide. And now you can get 10% off your next purchase. If you, just like us, love to travel, you know that getting the right travel documents sometimes can be difficult. iVisa is a one-stop shop where you quickly can check if you meet the requirements and to see what options are available for your next destination. So instead of dealing with embassies, you can spend your time planning for your next adventure. To get the 10% discount, you must apply via exploringplanethome.com. Click on the link and your discount is activated. And back to the vlog.
Today's lunch is a cheese toast, an ice cream, and a big bottle of water. Oh, the water is so cold, there's ice in it. Really need it. I think it's about 35 degrees Celsius at least today, so it's pretty warm.
And we have a great lunch to look forward to.
I like when lunch includes ice cream.
So good.
Even though our first kayak tour was cancelled, we managed to get another tour even though we got a little bit delayed, it's not the end of the world. But we are at the end of the world.
We've been driving 50 kilometers to the west and we ended up in Sagres, and at one point in history this was actually believed to be the end of the world. So this is it. This is where the world ends. I can really understand why people used to believe that, because it's a really rugged place and the cliffs are really steep. You have a pretty nice beach at the end of the world.
Now we're going back to the hotel, have a quick dinner, and tomorrow we are leaving for Lisbon. We just need to figure out how to get there. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe, follow us on our journey. See you.